everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm Carrie Scharf, your host. In today's episode, we're diving into the world of essential oils, understanding what they are, the reasons why you shouldn't ingest them, the importance of using a carrier oil, and some delightful alternatives to flavor your water. There's so much to discuss, so let's jump right in. An essential oil is an extract from a plant that is collected through distillation or mechanical pressing. These oils can be found in various parts of plants, such as the hairs on leaves, flower petals, wood, or roots. It takes a significant amount of plant material to produce even a single bottle of essential oil, making them quite potent and powerful. The essence of essential oils lies in their characteristic fragrance, mirroring the plant from which they are extracted. However, it's crucial to purchase them from reputable sources to ensure purity and authenticity, as many oils on the market are adulterated or diluted. One important tip is to keep your essential oils in a dark glass bottle and store them in a cool, dark place. Their potency should be respected, much like you would respect prescription medication. Always use a dilution chart to determine the safe and effective amount of drops to use per carrier oil, especially since using these oils neat or directly on the skin can cause irritation or sensitization. If a reaction occurs, it's advisable to wash the area with a fragrance-free soap and then apply a plain oil. Never ingest essential oils or use them near sensitive areas such as the eyes, ears, or nose, and avoid using them near heat sources. Additionally, they should not be used undiluted in the bath. For questions about safety, consult a healthcare provider or experienced aromatherapist. Generally, the safest way to use essential oils is through inhalation via an inhaler or aroma stick. Despite what some blogs suggest, you should never ingest essential oils, and here's why. Essential oils are highly concentrated, and consuming them in their undiluted form can lead to toxicity and overwhelm the body. Due to their concentration, they can be toxic, especially when used incorrectly. There's evidence from poison control centers supporting this. Furthermore, essential oils can irritate the digestive tract, causing discomfort, inflammation, or even damage to the mucous membranes. The lack of regulation also means there are no standardized guidelines for their dosing, purity, or safety when ingested, leaving users at risk of consuming products that might not be what they claim to be. Moreover, they can interact with medications or supplements, potentially leading to adverse reactions or reduced effectiveness of the medications you're taking. Finally, there's the risk of allergic reactions, as some individuals may be allergic to specific compounds in essential oils, which can lead to mild or severe symptoms upon ingestion. When applying essential oils to your skin, it is vital to use a carrier oil for several reasons. First, carrier oils dilute the highly concentrated essential oils, making them safer for topical use by reducing their potency. They also provide a protective layer to the skin, minimizing the risk of irritation or sensitivity. Additionally, carrier oils help in the even distribution of essential oils over the skin, ensuring they are applied smoothly and effectively. Moreover, carrier oils can extend the surface area over which essential oils are applied, covering larger areas with just a small amount of essential oil. Many carrier oils also have moisturizing properties, providing hydration and nourishment to the skin alongside the therapeutic benefits of the essential oils. Looking for safer alternatives to flavor your water? Consider these delightful options instead of using essential oils. Herbal teas are a fantastic choice with flavors like dandelion, wild violet, rose, and mint, all of which can be mixed and matched to your preference. You can make herbal teas by harvesting clean, pesticide-free wildflowers, drying them, and then steeping them in hot water. For convenience, you can also purchase pre-made flavors like strawberry rose tea or lemon ginger tea from reputable sources. Water infusions are another wonderful way to add flavor to your drinks. Try adding fresh herbs like mint, basil, or rosemary, or slices of your favorite fruits such as strawberries, oranges, lemons, or limes to a pitcher of water. For a refreshing twist, you can mix herbs and fruits for unique combinations like strawberry and basil, or lemon and thyme. Additionally, flavored sparkling water is a great alternative. Brands like Spindrift offer natural, flavorful options without added sweeteners or artificial ingredients. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also make your own refreshers at home by blending fruits like strawberries with herbs like mint and adding them to your water for a healthy, refreshing drink. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I hope you found the information insightful and helpful. Remember to check the show notes for any links or articles mentioned in today's episode. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to send me a message. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends. Until next time, I'm Carrie Scharf, wishing you a beautiful and fragrant day.